be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now this brand is one that I haven't done on this channel since the very beginning of this channel. It's been like 7 years since I reviewed this particular brand on this channel, but this is a model that I've been dying to get in various colorways, but I just could not get them because they are selling out everywhere. Like every time I look to find this particular shoe, it is sold out. So I was finally able to get my size. I said, I'm getting it. I am getting it. And here it is, man. Let's go ahead and get into it. Boom. If you guys aren't familiar, this is a New Balance box. All right. Very nice. Pretty regular, degular. All right. These are the New Balance BB, that's basketball, 550. All right. No colorway on here. So the size is I went with a 14. I'm not exactly sure if that is correct, but let's roll with it. You know what I mean? So boom, size 14 on there, and you can see that these go for $110. All right, very fair price. Very fair price on these. All right, you open it up, and you have your New Balance paper there. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. New Balance, they don't put it in there right. Alright, a little bit more work. One second. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Left shoe first, baby. Ooh, yes sir, yes sir. These are the New Balance 550. All right. The BB 550. It doesn't say the BB on the shoe, but this is a basketball shoe from New Balance from back in the 80s. And as you can see, the colorway here is that black and gray. It's kind of soft on the actual end there. But man, I keep seeing these around. I kept seeing like the UNC, the baby blue colorway, the baby blue and white, and the orange and white, and there was a Rich Paul version that was kind of a baby blue and a navy blue version with white and all that. And there's just been, did I mention the orange pair? There's been reds and blue. There's been so many pairs that I just was like, man, I want to get a pair of these at some point. But every time I went to get one of those colorways, it would be sold out. All right. But these popped up in my size. So I said, you know what? Let me give it a shot. These are 14. I don't even know if this is the right fit. All right. I have other pairs of New Balance. I have the 572s, I believe they are. Very comfortable shoes. So I went with the same size in these that I got in those. All right. So let's take the paper out so we can examine the softness of the leather. Okay, so the gray leather here, the gray leather is a little softer. This is kind of stiff on the toe box. That's kind of stiff there. it feels like it's good material, but it's not that soft. This is what Jordan 1s do to you. They ruin you. You start feeling the softness of the Air Jordan 1 High, and that is the standard. If anything else doesn't feel like that, you're going to think that it's the cheap stuff and it's not very good material, but that's not always the case, man. It does feel like a very well constructed shoe. All right, you see the basketballs on the tongue. Let me see if I can focus in on that. You see how the basketballs are coming around in like a circle there. They're coming up into the logo. All right, and you see your 550 there. Okay, and then you have on the midsole there your New Balance and your NB logo. Double logo there. Alright. So on the back you have that New Balance logo as well. So that's very nice, very nice, very nicely built. Look at the N on there again. Look at the structure of the shoe. It's a very nice shoe. It's not too heavy and it's not too light either. It's like the perfect balance as far as weight is concerned. Like, I dig that. They would come with, what's the lace situation look like? Okay, regular black laces with the black tips. And then on the inside, you have your NB. Alright, your New Balance logo with the silver on the black insole. Alright, and you see this tag here. This says Ortholite Comfort Foam insoles. Alright, so that's a good sign. That means that the insole here is going to be comfortable on your feet. Have some good comfort there. This reminds me of the other New Balances I have on the back. Yeah. So not bad. Not bad at all. I'm digging them. I'm digging them. Let's see the bottoms. Yeah. Typical bottoms. I like that though. I like that because it reminds me of the Jordan 1 or a Forum or something to that effect. The old school kind of bottoms there, man. Nothing special. Non-marking sole is what it says. New Balance logo there. Very nice. Gets the job done. Straight to the point. These are straight to the point. Here's the right boy. Exactly the same. Nothing special. These do not come with an extra pair of laces or anything. So, not bad at all. Alright, a little bit of the perforations there on the side for a little bit of breathability as you get closer. Alright, and a little bit there on the toe box area. Alright, not bad. Not bad at all. Here you are. They almost, like colorway wise, they almost look like the Jordan 1 Shadow. They almost look like that color wise. But let's get the right boy out of here. You know what we gotta do now? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet with the New Balance BB 550. Alright, I went with a size 14 in these. Let's get it all the way scooped back. Alright, now this is where my big toe is. The tip of my big toe is right there. Alright, see the wiggle? Tip of my big toe right there. Alright, so I would say that the size 14 fits correctly in these. I do have a little bit of room, but with the width of the shoe as well, I would say that the 14 probably is the best bet for these, especially since there wasn't a 13.5. So going down to a 13 would be uncomfortable. All right. But these are good. These are good. Comfortable on feet. I wouldn't hoop in these. I wouldn't go to the gym and hoop in these at all. I would not do that. But, you know, casual wear, not bad at all. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Yo, I will say that these are pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Not mad at these at all. I really wanted to try these out, man, because I kept seeing them, and I really wanted to see how they felt on feet, how they were. All right, and I would say, especially at the price that they are, I think the price is right. $110, it's not that bad, especially if you can get them with a discount or something. But for $110, these are definitely well worth it, man. Could the materials be a little bit softer in places? Probably. But you can't beat it for this price, man. I still think they're a nice shoe. I still like the white and Carolina blue colorway the best. Then maybe that white and orange. Those, if they were to pop up again, I'll probably go with those colors. Surprisingly, the white and like royal blue colorway doesn't do anything for me. The white and red doesn't do anything for me. This one I felt was worth going for because I like the shadow colorway, and the other two that I mentioned, I think I would go for those if they became available. But anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I will holler at you all in the next video. Peace.